Hey guys, it's me, Ty, and thank you for tuning in. So in this video, I have another LEGO tutorial for you. I haven't done one of these for a very long time, but since I'm on spring break and I'm currently away from home, this is going to be a simpler video. So here before me is a simple LEGO creation. This is a microwave, but I think it's definitely worth showing you. So in this video, I'm going to be running through a step-by-step process on how to make this. So without further ado, let's check this thing out. So to begin, I'm going to use a 2x2 plate, as you can see here, and on top of that, I'm going to place down a 1x2 transparent brick in any shade. Place it anywhere on your 2x2 plate, and it should look like this when you're done. What I'm going to do from here is I'm going to place a 1x2 plate on top of my 2x2 plate, and on top of this 1x2 plate, I'm going to place 2 of these 1x1 snot bricks, and for those who are wondering, the term snot simply stands for studs not on top. So my snot bricks are going to go here and here, and they're going to face in opposite directions, just like that, and that's going to allow us to place the external portions of the microwave to make it look more realistic. And finally, on top of this 1x2 transparent brick, I'm going to finish things off by tiling it with this 1x2 tile. That's going to go on just like that. So we have the main body of the microwave, so we're going to add the extensions. So the first extension is going to go on this side, and that's simply going to be a 2x2 tile. That's going to go on just like that. And we have the second extension, which is on this side, and that's a little bit more complicated to make, but don't be discouraged by that. So to make that, we're going to need a 2x2 tile. We're going to need a 1x2 tile. We're going to need 2 of these eyelet bricks. You can also use snot bricks like what I previously used, and also a 1x2 brick. So what you're going to simply do is you're going to get your 2 eyelet bricks and you're going to connect them together using this 1x2 tile. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to juxtapose that next to my 1x2 brick, just like that. And finally, to connect things together, you're going to use your 2x2 tile, and that's going to go on just like that. So finally, we can get our main body of the microwave, and our second extension will go on the right side, just like that. So there you go, that was the tutorial. If you found this video to be useful, you can give your personal feedback down in the comment section below. Once again, I'm very sorry, this is a very simple video, and that's because I'm on spring break, so I'm taking some time to be away from home. But of course, the video quality is not as good because I'm literally laying down a lamp on this dresser and the lighting looks a little bit bad, but it's the best I can possibly do. So thank you for your patience, thank you for understanding, and I'll see you in the next video. So like always, keep on building.